Like I said, it is an active sway bar. What have you, it does twist, turn. I want to say it has some compression and rebounding capabilities also, which is part of the reason it's so good and part of the reason these older BMWs grip up and why BMWs in general grip up. So probably gonna be keeping that and modifying it or whatever. Because I want the track wheel to be better, so maybe I might get a modern 5 Series sway bar or what have you. In the event that I do, you guys can have this. Or if they have any, maybe aftermarket ones that I could possibly get. So like I said, I want to widen the track width or what have you. So we're gonna see. Well, yeah, that's the car. I'm gonna take you and show you the turkey and everything. Yeah.